Alright, let's collect our bounty of leaves for the ridiculous tea. So I'm going to take like a cluster of these because they're so small. We've got our Spearmint. And we've got our Peppermint. I'll take 2 of these. Drop in some. Then we've got our Chocolate Mint. I'll take maybe 3 of these because they're small-ish. We got our Mojito Mint. Take 1 of these. They're pretty big. Got our Pineapple Mint. Take a couple of these. Got our Banana Mint. This one was more subtle, so I'm not sure it's going to do much for the drink, the tea. Take a couple of those. Got our Strawberry Mint. Let's take a couple of those. We got our Apple Mint. Let's get a nice big one for this one. We got our Sweet Pear Mint. This one was really strong, so we'll get definitely 1. Got our Ginger Mint. These ones are medium sized, so we'll get maybe a couple. I'm dropping them again. We got our Orange Mint. Get a couple of these. Come on. I'm not trying to pull you out of the soil. There we go. We got our Lemon Mint. Let's get a nice one. That one. And this one. Got our Grapefruit Mint. Let's get, this one looks good. Get a couple of these guys. And next we got our Mexican Mint. Got a couple of these because they're kind of small. Then we got our Spanish Mint. These ones are all kind of meh looking. This one looks okay. Get this one. And this one looks... yeah, we'll take that one. This one is the Swiss Mint. Let's get... we'll get 1 big one. Let's get this one. And then we will get some of our Basil Mint. Get this guy, and let's save this one. And then we got our Thai Mint. Get this one and that one. And we got the Cordifolia, which was kind of like a more mellow Spearmint. We'll get 1 of these. And I'm, as hilarious as it would be, I am going to opt out on the Fish Mint. We're going to leave that one out, and we're going to leave the Cat Mint out. So here we have our bounty. I'm going to wash these up and make tea from them. So it's all going in the shrimp cup. They won't want to stick to my hand. Stand by. And then I'm going to come over here. Finish up the boil on this guy. And let the chaos begin. That's kind of weird. So first of all, yes, it's a lot of leaves. I'm getting all sorts of mixing of aromas. I think maybe the Pear Mint and the Swiss Mint are jumping out because they were the stronger ones. We'll let that steep and cool, and we'll come back for the taste test, and we'll see if we get punched in the face. All right, she's steeped. She's cooling down.
At a drinkable temperature, I hope.
I'll go in first.
Yeah, drinking temperature is scalding. Let's see.
Might be too much water.
Now this is normal, especially because they're fresh.
Okay.
Because most mint teas are dried. This is not. I like mint tea, Casey. You want to take the cup away from me?
No, go ahead.
Good. That's mint. So did you literally put one of everything in there?
Well, I kind of mixed because some of the leaves are bigger than others. So...
What kind of mint did you put in there?
Everything.
Okay, so when I said the one of everything, could have
Yeah,
just said
I
yes.
went down the line and collected all the leaves.
Okay.
Except for fish mint and cat mint.
Yeah. Don't want to drink fish mint. As intriguing as that sounds. Thank you.
My sense of it is that there's not enough because it's got more water than mintiness. What do you think?
Well, I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a cup of fruity mint tea.
Yeah, it is. Not bad.
Can I have a rest?
Sure.
Bye.
So we have... It's good, I guess. I might like to mix it with like an actual...
Like have actual ratios?
Yeah. Like, actually feel it out better than what I've done.
Question, did you just wash them and then put them in here?
Mm-hmm.
And then add the hot water? Or did you like crush them up a little bit so the oils are really... Okay. That's probably do that next time. Since you think that it's watery.
Crush them up.
Yeah.
Get the...
Because you want all the oils to be released because that's where all the flavor is.
Well, I was hoping that would happen from just steeping it, but apparently I'm wrong.
It's okay, Casey. We can't all be right. Like me.
So, we might have a 2.0 version of this later. Maybe when the plants have pushed out more, we can harvest again and do this again.
Maybe we can have like cute little cups of like each tea. The little baby cups of tea.
It does.
And then we can do like a really stupid punch.
It does have like a mixture to it,
Yeah. You can clearly tell it's not one mint. Or 2 mints.
Like no, in the beginning, I really smelled some of the ones that are more aromatically potent.
I definitely just this was in my mouth, and it was delicious.
But now that they've like all homogenized, it's like a very smooth combination of all of them. Kind of relaxing.
Maybe the reason why you think that there's like too much water, not enough mint, is because most of the time with mint teas, you're used to like the peppermint tea or the spearmint tea, and it's just like one base flavor, and it usually punches you in the face.
That could be it.
But since there's different mints in there, so it's not primarily peppermint or primarily spearmint, or even chocolate mint, it feels weak. Just guessing. Thank you. I will go enjoy this now.
But I like it. We'll work on it.